Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire the City Crest. To begin your journey, you must first defeat the formidable false knight boss, found within the Forgotten Crossroads. This challenging foe guards the path forward, and upon its defeat, you will be rewarded with the City Crest. This unique item is a stone slab, bearing the mark of Hallownest's capital city, and it has a special insert on its back, hinting at its purpose. Now, let's discuss the primary function of this important item. The City Crest is specifically designed to unlock a grand gate, granting you access to the magnificent City of Tears. This crucial gate is situated strategically between the fungal wastes and the City of Tears itself. Remember, the City Crest is a one-time use item for this particular gate, so ensure you are ready to proceed when you use it. To use the City Crest, you'll need to journey to the fungal wastes. Look for the Pilgrim's Way sign, which guides you toward the correct path. You will also need the Manti's claw ability to climb walls and navigate the platforming challenges in this area. Once you reach the large statue of Great Knight Hegemal, simply insert the City Crest into the designated slot in its chest, and the gate to the City of Tears will dramatically open before you. After successfully using the City Crest, be aware that the entrance gate will close behind you, making it a one-way passage initially. The City of Tears awaits, filled with rich lore, intriguing non-player characters, and more challenging enemies than you've encountered before. While the crest is the intended method, it's worth noting that resourceful players have discovered a few alternative routes to enter the City of Tears, offering different ways to explore Hallownest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.